Hi, my name is Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And we're going to walk you through something I'm going to create. This canvas is very old. It's an 8x10 canvas. I've experimented on this canvas multiple times. The white layer was the third time it's been painted over. I'm not exactly sure what to do. I could do something fun.
Easy breezy.
I really like this stencil because it's perfectly sized. The only problem is that there is a lot of texture on this and I'm not exactly sure how the stencil is going to react. The bottom is going to be green and the top is going to be blue. It's already filling in some gaps there. So when I do paintings, I really try to do the sides as well, if I can remember. Sometimes I'm in the heat of it. I don't remember to color the sides. I figure if somebody doesn't want to see the sides, they'll frame it and that won't matter. But if you just wanted to put it on the wall without framing it, then you really want to paint the sides. A lot of times I try to do them black, like if I'm having a show or something. I would say more times than not, I forget to do the sides. It looks nice, except there is a lot of texture in there. This can now sit aside and dry.
It's so cute.
I love the colors.
Look at that.
It's all dry and it's relatively smooth. It's not the smoothest, but it'll do the trick. So I've got these two stencils, which I think are freaking adorable, and I can't wait to use them. I know that the green has kind of mixed into the blue, but I think that I'll be all right. What I want to do is this one right here and this over here to kind of give it a little scene, and we're going to start with this over here and then let that dry, and then we'll come back and we'll put this on top of it. And to start us off, I'm going to use a Hooker's Green Hue Permanent.
I don't know what that means.
Unbleached titanium is going to be used for the cloud. Maybe I want to put this down further. When you're stenciling, you want to have not very much on your brush. You want to keep it kind of dry. That way, when you're stippling up and down, it's not going underneath the stencil. In this instance, because evergreens are kind of hairy, bristly, or whatever, I'm okay with this brush making some texture on the trees. I'm not sure why I like stenciling, but I do. I think it's fun to have a little scene created for you. You don't really have to do a whole lot of messing around with it. It's kind of kitschy art. Perfect art for like a cabin or wherever, and I'm in cabin country. I might use black on the lettering. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. So we've got the brown. That kind of blew up a little bit in my face. Did not expect that crazy right there. I am going to fix that up. I just love little kitschy art. I just love it. Dry water. I have a little paper towel. I like that for the cloud, but not so keen on this right here where it looks like there's a bristle from the brush in the art. We're gonna come in here with this paper towel and erase what we can before it dries. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have much luck there. We can always come back into it later. I'm gonna let that sit for now and dry so that we can come back and stencil the remaining half of this. Isn't that so cute? Oh, feel that, so nice. Okay, now that we're back and it's dry, I'm going to try and figure out what I want on this stencil. I do need to move this down a little because I want the wheel to be near the bottom. It looks like I need some yellow. I think I'm gonna do this in black. This is gonna be like a silver metallic. Black right here maybe, because that's the bumper. I don't know what that is. This is the trailer. That's typically silver. This is black for rubber. That'll be silver there. This needs to be white, I think. This is blocked out right here. I think this is a stripe and this is a stripe. And then I think this should be silver and this should be silver. Those can be like, I don't know what. I'm gonna have to color this after the fact, like, you know, a different color. I think I want to do like an orange with this. An orange or maybe, no. Maybe orange and, nope, the yellow's going up there. there. But it's like a pink, and I don't want pink. Could make it this color. That might be really cute. I don't know.
That's the problem with paint projects. You have all this freedom, but do you really?
For now, I am going to concentrate on the yellow. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things.
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer. Until next time, love your guts. Bye!